Okay, today, friends, we are going to be talking about division. Division is a lot like multiplication. When we were multiplying, we were putting counters into equal groups. Division is a lot like that. However, with division, we're going to start with a certain number of counters. So let's say that we had this problem. 12 divided by 3 equals blank. Our first number, the dividend, is the number of counters that we are going to start with. So we're starting with 12 counters. On my board I have 12 magnets. The next number, the divisor, is what we are going to be dividing 12 by. So we're going to take our 12 counters and divide them into 3 equal groups. And then our last number, that's our quotient, our answer, that's going to tell us how many we end up having in each group. Now with division, we're going to take our 12 counters and we're going to partition them into 3 groups. Now the way that I'd like you to do this is by taking one at a time. That way you make sure that your groups are equal. So I'm going to start out with my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3 groups. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to partition the rest of these between the 3 groups. So when you partition, you're going to give 1 to each group, and then you'll go back to the beginning and give another 1 to each group until you've used all of your counters. Okay, so I've used all of my counters. I've taken my 12 magnets, I put them into 3 groups. My groups are equal, and I have 4 in each group. So 4 is my quotient. Let's try this again. Sometimes on your math problems, they're not going to tell you how many groups to make, but they will tell you how many you have in each group. So for this one, we're going to have 12 divided by, we don't know what, but we are going to end up with 6 in each group. So the way that you're going to solve these problems is you're going to make groups of 6 to find out how many groups you end up making. So I'm going to count out 6 counters. 2, 4, 6. And then I'm going to count out another 6. 2, 4, 6. I made my groups of 6 and I ended up making 2 groups. So 2 would be my divisor. All right, have fun with equal sharing today.